If you've ever wanted to make your Evernote notes look cleaner, more organized and easier to read, knowing how to indent is a simple skill that makes a big difference. In this video, I'll show you how to indent in Evernote using 2 easy methods so you can choose the one that works best for your setup. Whether you want to format a note, create better structure, or make your lists and ideas easier to follow, this quick tutorial will help you do it in just a few seconds. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Let's jump in. First, open Evernote and go to the note you want to format. This could be a meeting note, a project outline, a study page, or any other note where you want to create a little more structure. Once the note is open, find the text that you want to indent. If you want to indent just one line, click on that line. If you want to indent multiple lines or a full section, select the text first, so the formatting applies to everything you've highlighted. Now let's look at method 1, which is using the toolbar. In some versions of Evernote, you'll see formatting options at the top of the note editor. Look for the Increase Indent button in that toolbar. Once you've selected your text or placed your cursor in the right line, click Increase Indent to move the text inward. This pushes the content slightly to the right and helps create a visual hierarchy inside your note. It's especially useful if you're building outlines, nested lists, or step-by-step notes. If you want to bring the text back out again, use the Decrease Indent button. This reduces the indentation and moves the text back toward the left. That means you can adjust the structure of your note until it looks exactly the way you want. If you don't see these buttons right away, don't worry. Evernote can look a little different, depending on the device, app version, or whether you're using the desktop or web version. Now let's go to method 2, which is the keyboard shortcut method. This is usually the fastest way to indent in Evernote. Place your cursor on the line or list item you want to indent. Then, press Tab on your keyboard. That should indent the line and move it to the right. If you want to remove the indent, simply press Shift and Tab together. That moves the item back out and reverses the formatting. This shortcut method is especially helpful if you are working quickly and don't want to stop to use the toolbar. It's also great for organizing bullet points, nested tasks, or any note where you want to build a clear structure. If you're taking fast notes during a meeting or class, Tab and Shift plus Tab can save you a lot of time. A quick tip here: if Tab doesn't behave the way you expect, make sure your cursor is placed in the actual note content and not in a search field or another part of the app. Also, some systems or input settings can affect how keyboard shortcuts work. So if one method doesn't seem available, try the other one. The goal is simply to make your note easier to scan and understand. Here's another useful idea. Indenting works best when you use it consistently. For example, you might keep main points aligned to the left, then indent subpoints underneath them. That makes your note look much more professional and can help you organize information at a glance. So if you're creating project plans, research notes, or checklists, indentation can make a huge difference in readability. So to quickly recap, if you want to indent in Evernote, you can either use the Increase Indent and Decrease Indent buttons in the formatting toolbar, or you can use Tab to indent and Shift plus Tab to remove the indent. Both methods are simple, and once you get used to them, formatting notes in Evernote becomes much faster and easier. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Evernote tip or productivity walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.